Right, good morning everyone. Yes, been a while since I've done a video, but I've had a lot going off. And as you know, I'm closing the shop in September. So right now I am selling things off. And if you start seeing things disappear very quickly, it's because I'm taking them off and they're getting sold privately. But last time I came on, I was doing these flowers like this, and I've got to finish them, but I told you last time a woman had ordered them. She ordered 20 mixed flowers like these. This is the picture she sent me, and unfortunately I think it was somebody having a joke or a laugh, because they didn't order it. They went off, they got disconnected from my email and that. I don't know how. Can't get hold of them, so I'm stuck with these. So I'm finishing making them up, and then if anybody wants them, but it is made with the ombre ribbon, all of them. And these, I would normally sell these for $3.50, because they are handmade. They would be sold for about $3.50. If anyone's interested, you're getting a really nice flower for. And let me know, because there's all these colours. I'll show you them when they're all done. I'll go through them one by one. I've got some more to make up as well. So let's have a look, because some of these are ready to finish off. I've got the glue gun on. Right, I just had to get the bases. So we're doing using thick felt for the base, and I just attach all of this onto the felt. And we do it just like that. That has to be in roughly in the centre. See, like that. And we can pull that out. And then I've chosen that colour to pop in the centre. They are just gorgeous. So I'm going to do that next. Make sure the glue goes around these that I've made. Go to the last video and you'll see I made them. You just make little bunches, and then you just pop them in together like that. Oops. They're gorgeous, aren't they? And then we just add some leaves to it. Now, these leaves are pretty long. And you just pop them on. In fact, I'm going to put that one there. Like that. And then we'll just put a patch of material on there. Or with a pin or something like that. But there you go. They are just gorgeous, to be honest. That's all you do. You've got a beautiful, beautiful flower. And we can put like stems on here or something else. You can just carry on making them prettier and prettier. So that's another one. I'll finish the backs off after. Again, we just need to be able to put this on. Oh, and I know someone's going to ask, but I'll show you. Yes, I've had my nails done. By Julie's daughter, actually. She did them. And they are my own nails. They've grown. It's the builder gel. So I had builder gel put on until my own nails grew back out. So yes, just before. I know people will ask because they always do. Now, what colour shall we have with that one? Well, it's got a nice pink. Oh, and do you know what? We'll have a nice white, I think. Let's have a white. You just take a handful. You need to take enough. Pop them all together. Right. Take the thread. I'm going to do these tight at one end. Like that. You only need a couple of twists. That's it. That's one done. And I'm just going to cut that and then use that to do this end. Oops. It's okay when you can get your fingers to work. Do it that way, mate. And then use the other scissors to cut them. Okay. So just push that into there, like that. Swing that about and push that one into there as well. And there you go. Simple as that. Beautiful. Now if you wanted to, and you didn't want these white, you could colour these. Just give them a little bit of a spray or something like that. I think this one's already double. I hand stitched them together like that. Do I want them like that or that way? That way. I think just put some leaves on. Yeah, so put flower on there like that. And what I did, I reversed, because they're two-tone, I did the outer ones with the darker colour and the top layer with the darker colour in the middle. And it's just so that the stems stick out. Now, I'm going to put my stems in there, so hopefully, might need to redo that one. They're just gorgeous. And they're looking more natural flower. See? So I'm going to continue and finish all of these off, and then I'll come back when I've done them. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.